Sometimes when you're looking to sell a property, speed can be of utmost importance. That's when it's time to call My Quick Home Buyers.
We're an investment company. What we do is we buy homes from people that are looking to sell their property directly versus listed it on the MLS. We specialize in buying all types of property, including homes, townhomes, condos, even vacant land. We can purchase the properties cash and close usually within 30 days. And we also buy direct from homeowners. This allows them to sell their property fast versus listing it with a broker who's gonna look for a buyer.
They aren't a real estate brokerage, but an investment firm backed by a large network of local cash buyers that lives up to its name.
We don't need bank approvals or appraisals. These are traditional steps that a traditional buyer would have to go through in order to buy your property. Since we're purchasing cash, we can speed up that process in order to get you to the closing table faster. Since they're selling to us directly and alleviating the fees that they would normally have to pay, we also throw in that little bit extra and cover their closing costs. That right there can save them thousands.
So let's say you need to sell your property quickly. What steps should you take?
To sell your property quickly, you want to make sure that the property is in great condition. You want to make sure it's optimal to be shown to lots of people and it'll appeal to many people. To do that, you may want to declutter your home, move things around, remove all your personal belongings, put them away so that way it'll show really nice when buyers walk through. As an investment company, for us it doesn't matter. Your property can be in any condition. We buy as is, so you don't need to declutter, move things around or anything like that. We'll purchase it right there as it sits.
Most real estate agents look at sold comparables or comps to help you decide how to price your property, but they don't always tell the whole story.
Comps are other properties that are similar to yours that have sold and what their price are. So sold comps were properties that have sold like yours. Comparables. It's a short way of saying comparable. And then they have active comps. These are comps that are on the market available for others to buy. So you'll be competing with the active comps when you list your property. Most people make the mistake of only looking at solds. They're comparing what has sold in the past, the last 90 days, whereas the active comps, those are their actual competition as far as being able to price your property. So if you look at the active comps and if you can get it slightly below or at the lowest price, then you're almost guaranteed to get a fast sale.
Michelle believes that there's a buyer for every property, but when speed is a priority, My Quick Home Buyers is the solution.
No matter where you are, we cover all of South Florida. That's Miami-Dade, Broward County, and Palm Beach. We're the solution if speed is a priority. We're not for everybody. Some people may benefit from listing their property with a brokerage. But if you want to get to the closing table the fastest, an investment company like ours is the solution. When you list your property at a brokerage, they try to find you a buyer. At My Quick Home Buyers, we are the buyers.
Want to know more about My Quick Home Buyers? Visit myquickhomebuyers.com or designingspaces.tv.